We had a lot of rain on the homestead the last few days. Today's finally a nice day. The wind is blowing, so it's still a little chilly. But our culvert at the entrance has plugged with all the leaves from the ditch. So we're in the process of trying to clean that. We also have a little washout here that we're going to have to fix. And the girls are at the other end cleaning out that culvert. So my husband's going to get on the tractor and work on trying to dig this out. It works really well just to put the bucket down and then he can flip it up and move all the debris out. We're still going to have to do a little bit of hand work, but it's better than trying to get all that out by hand. We got the ditch dug out. We had to restack the rocks at the culvert head that had washed out. We filled in the washout, dug out the other side of the culvert. The culvert was full of rocks so far in. We had to shovel that out. Spruced up the driveway where we'd had some tracks of water that ran through. And here's our road work gang. Thanks for watching.